This is a video review on a handheld electronic vacuum, rechargeable for car use, home use, or as we're using in our RV. It comes with the unit itself that has a cleanable, replaceable filter with the dustbin here. It has a carpet brush, crevice tool that also has an adjustable brush on it. And then it has a brush to clean the brushes and a recharging cord. Now let me show you how well it works and picks up. We've got the carpet here with the unit on. The blue light show it's fully charged. And as you can see, with the tool in place, it brushes as it cleans and vacuums. Plenty of power. And by interchanging the tools, they just slide in and out. You put on the crevice tool and get into this little area here. Or if you wanted a brush, turn around and flip this over. And it sweeps as it vacuums. Okay, to clean out the vacuum, basically all you need to do is twist the canister and it comes off of the unit. The filter, as I said, is removable, and as you can see, picks up a bunch of stuff, hair and everything else. You can just dump this into the trash, cleans it out, and this itself is cleanable.
Here we have the pemacom Cordless Handheld Vacuum Cleaner. What comes in the box is the actual base of the vacuum. We have the short head, which it said is good for sofas and other different types of surfaces. And then we also have the charge cord. There is not a block though, but it is a standard USB charge cord. We have like a little cleaning brush, and then we have, it says like the crevice nozzle. So for cars or cracks between the cushions, smaller, harder to reach areas. So we're gonna go ahead and put the carpet nozzle on, and we're just gonna test how this does. Okay, so it looks like it got all of the paper bits up off of the sofa. As you can see, everything's inside the base here. And then all you have to do to open this, to empty this out, is there's a little lock and unlock. You just twist this off to remove. Then you remove the little HEPA filter, and then you can just empty this out. For convenience right now, I'm not going to empty it out because I'm filming one-handed, but yeah, this is overall a really nice, convenient hand.
I have a pemacom DW688 handheld vacuum that I just purchased. I'm going to try it out for the first time here. It comes with these attachments. I like the looks of this one here because it has a little flip down brush. It should work pretty well for what I'm doing. This is in my RV. I'm gonna see how it works. Plug that in. I see it's got a handy light on it. Yeah, there it is. Okay, here we go. Probably too loud for the video, but
Hello everyone, Johnny here, doing another review. This time it's for a pemacom cordless handheld vac. This is a little lithium powered unit, recharges with a USB cable. So far, I'm pretty impressed with the unit. As you can see, it comes with some nice attachments. It's very lightweight, and let me show you some of the features here. So my favorite attachment is this nozzle, which just makes it a little bit easier to get to where I'm going. As far as cleaning this unit, it's a matter of a simple twist, and there's a nice little filter in here to get the fines. As you can see, I've been using it, and a fair amount of capacity in there. I've been running it for about 20 minutes, and the battery life still seems good. It also has a light to help you in a dark corner, though some other reviewers have said, and I agree, it's limited brightness, so only, marginally useful as far as I'm concerned. The suction of this is pretty impressive. I've got some wood pellets here that I'm going to show you just to give you an idea of how powerful this thing is. Let's turn it on. As you can see that, very little problem picking them up. It fills up pretty quick with these things. But all in all, I'm pretty impressed with how well it works as far as suction.
I love this new vacuum from pemacom. It's sturdy and well built. It's got a great feature to turn on a light. That's exactly what you need. You can see all the dirt on my counter, and then listen to it work. Nice and powerful. Sucks everything up. Easily tell what the battery life is. And it's really sturdy. Here's the new wireless shop vac by pemacom. Comes with about 2 different accessories with a brush. Here it is. Instructions tell you to charge it up to 4 hours before use. So I'm going to go ahead and put it to the test, show you all, see how much power it has and suction that it has. Bear with me one moment. As you can see, I got a little bit of dirt here in the Mercedes car, so I'm going to go ahead and vacuum and show you.
This is the pemacom handheld vacuum. It comes with some attachments. Also comes with a brush over here and a charging cable. The vacuum actually seems really strong suction.
As you can see, this does not pick up. As you can see, this is still there and it does not pick up. So this is not good for small areas to get. It doesn't fit into pockets and get that out of there. I'm trying to clean that area up and it's not getting in there. It doesn't fit. So I can't get it done. So this is not the way.
I need to come.
Let me do it! Let me do it, Bobby! Daddy, let me do it! Daddy, let me do it!
While we did love the vacuum, it actually did this to our outlet while it was charging. It melted this, and so we actually had to return it, but the vacuum itself did perform well. Easy to use, easy to assemble, but after this, not knowing
Alright, I'm about to use my new hand vac to clean underneath my couch cushions. Let's see how well this works.
Akin lang pinakapahalo.